Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken drumsticks. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section down below. So let's get started. The things we need to make chicken drumsticks are half cup yogurt, 8 pieces of chicken legs, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder. I'm making cuts on chicken pieces like this. We'll do the same on all the pieces. Then take a bowl and add yogurt. Add ginger garlic paste, lemon juice. Now I'm adding black pepper powder, salt, red chili powder. Now mix everything nicely. And then add chicken pieces in it. Make sure the chicken pieces are fully covered in the mixture. And leave it for 2 hours. Now for the coating of drumsticks, we need half cup breadcrumbs, half cup plain flour, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons milk. Then take a bowl and add flour in it. Add breadcrumbs. Add corn flour, salt, garlic powder, black pepper powder, and then nicely mix everything. Take a bowl and beat egg. After that, add milk in it and mix it. After 2 hours, I'm going to coat the chicken pieces. So first of all, I'm going to stuff the chicken in this mixture, and we'll do the same for all the pieces. Once that's done, it's time for the second coating. So coat it in the milk and egg, and then again in the mixture like this. And repeat the process for all the pieces. Now I will fry them in oil on medium flame. So I took a pan and added oil, preheated it, and adding the chicken to fry it now. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes and then turn sides. Once it's golden brown, take it out in a plate. Do not burn them. There you go, chicken drumsticks are ready. This is how they look like, and you can serve them with ketchup and mayonnaise. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked the video, please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.